construction toy set. Yup.
And we're gonna open it.
Look. Oh. It comes with a crane and some dump trucks and some construction cones, some barriers, some cars, and we got a drawbridge. The drawbridge goes up and down. See?
Right there. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down, up, down, up, down.
Yup.
Down.
Alright.
Down, down, up.
You ready to get started?
Yeah! Look! Here's a droplet! Here's a droplet! Here's a crane! We're gonna put the cars together and we're gonna take these apart.
Yeah, we gotta break these apart like this. I got one. I got two.
Okay.
What you doing, buddy?
I'm just screwing this in so this can stay up.
Are we building it?
Yeah. Put screwdrivers in.
Yeah, let me see what your method is. Oh, you stick it right in the slot and then you spin it.
Yep.
Yep. Are you tightening it right now?
Yep.
Yes, you are. Alright, it's all together. We're just doing stickers right now. Alright, so let's get this one.
I can't see the picture of that.
Right here.
Like that?
Yup.
We spoon them. We spoon. Now?
You gotta put it on there very carefully. Make sure you put it on there nice and straight, okay?
I will. Straight.
That's not straight.
Now we're doing number head back like blocks. Oh, funny block. And I walk in my web. Wow. Like wow.
Show me how the crane works.
Goes up, down. So, and the truck leaves.
Oh, the drop stuff in the truck and it leaves?
Yep. Going in there. Dropping in there.
Oh, the drawbridge is going up. Uh-oh, there's a car on the drawbridge. Ah!
And then
Alright.
dropping it off.
And then the car goes through. The truck goes through and the bridge goes down.
And then the truck and crosses and it goes down. Whee! Put the drawbridge up.
Drawbridge is going up.
Down.
Drawbridge is going down.
There's a car coming.
Drawbridge is going up.
Go down.
You gotta wait for the drawbridge.
There's a car coming. There's a car coming. Whee! Go down.
Alright, here comes the drawbridge.
There's a car coming. There's a car coming. Open the drawbridge. Open the drawbridge.
Drawbridge going up.
Drawbridge going down. Here comes another car. Better open the floorboards again. Go down. Ah. He's getting a car wash. Open the floorboards.
He's spinning, getting all clean. He wants to go down it. He wants to go fast on the slide. You ready?
Yep. The car almost crashed.
Uh-oh.
What?
What's the car doing there? The car can't go there.
And now it's weaving.
Well, if a car goes there, the crane might drop stuff on it.
And then it weaves and then it falls off. That would be so funny. Car wash.
Here, I want to see the blue car.
He's gonna go get a car wash.
This car is gonna go here, where I said the cars aren't supposed to go. And here we go. Oh no. The car got rocks dropped on it. I guess he shouldn't park there.
He got to go get a car wash.
Yeah, he's got to get a car wash after that.
Yeah.
Getting a car wash.
I got dirty. Going up. He caught it. Sit there. He didn't get dirty. See? He's still clean.
Nice. What you got in there? One rock?
Yeah.
One big rock.
I'm gonna dip it out. And the crane is gonna pick it back in. The crane's going up. Crane going down. Going up. Going all the way up. I'm gonna get dirty. That's gonna be so funny. Oh no, I got dirty. I got dirty.
Alright, let me give it a wash. All clean. Uh-oh, he just did a flip. He needs to get another car wash.
I got dirty.
Look, he flipped over and got dirty.
No, he didn't.
Yeah, he did.
He's still clean.
Okay.
I got dirty. He got dirty. And the car wash is right here. These are little ones. Here they are. That fix. And then you go. And then you open the drawer with. Oh! You open the drawer with and the fix. And the drawer would go down. Right here.
Yep, so thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. You better subscribe.
See you next time.
See you